Hey everyone, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company, and I just wanted to put together this tray. I did this at one of our locations today and everybody loved it, so I wanted to show you real quick here on our YouTube channel how to style a tray like this in your home. So this kind of looks like a dough bowl or dough board, but it's not. It's a tray because it's flat on the inside. And I'm going to show you how to put these little bunnies in and make something adorable for your kitchen island. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for me right now. We love to hear your comments too. Tell me what you think. So first of all, you're going to take these two ceramic bunnies, just like these. They're a really pretty white bunny here, available at Amber Marie and Company. They're about $50 a piece. This is a really cool reclaimed wood style tray, which is really fun. And this is something really nice and substantial to put on your kitchen countertop. So if you love to decorate, maybe you have a really big countertop or a really big bar area and you love to decorate that for every season, this is a really fun, really good look. So I've got to show you this. You start with the tray. Always a tray grounds whatever you're doing. So if you have a big countertop, like we have a big white quartz countertop here at the store, the tray is what separates and kind of grounds, and it's going to be kind of like the nest for everything, if you will. Then also it adds another texture, which I really like too. This wood texture, reclaimed wood, very, very cool. You can use this tray for every season, and I think you would really like it. I started with these white ceramic bunnies. They're obviously kind of the focal point. I want to kind of get them in my tray a little bit further apart because I'm going to put stuff in here. I might adjust that as we go, but I just wanted to show you. This is actually really quick and easy. And like I said, I did this earlier at the store and everybody loved it, so I wanted to show you guys how to style a tray real quick. I have these little fern bushes. This is a really cute little fern bush. It's a soft touch. It's $12.99 here at the store. Again, all of these products are available at Amber Marie and Co. online. I'm going to turn this bunny a little bit this way because I think he looks kind of a little bit cuter, just turned a little towards the outside. I forgot. That's how I did it earlier. I'm going to put my ferns kind of on both sides. You can see this little bunny, you can see right here on this little rabbit, he kind of has a little space underneath his little front legs there in his body. And that's where I'm tucking the excess of that in. So our tray looks like this right now. Get some of my stuff on the counter here out of the way. This is what it looks like. And this is the beginning stages. Now, this is a kitchen tray. So I wanted to add some fun, like cabbage in here. I think this is really pretty. It's kind of a purpley cabbage. It's also real touch, which is really cool. And what I love about this too is see how easy it is to open it up real nice and wide. I'm gonna put this really pretty purple cabbage here. And then I have another one that's kind of a little bit more of like a red cabbage or pink. And I'm gonna fluff those leaves out real fast too. And then I'm going to put another one right here. So these guys have two really pretty cabbages that kind of make the focal point. You saw that I put the two little greenery right down here that kind of just spills out of our tray. Looks really pretty. And then the last greenery I'm going to do is right here. I'm going to put this one kind of in the back of the tray. And that's going to kind of hide the back of the bunnies a little bit and spill out on this side just to kind of make the tray look like one complete look. And then the really fun part, do you see these really cute orange carrots? They're kind of like a velvety chenille kind of carrot. Really, really fun. I'm gonna take these picks and I'm gonna have those carrots growing out of my little magical bunny garden here. I'm gonna stick that right under there. Got to get it under that little hole in my bunny. And I'm going to kind of twist those up, like the little carrots are kind of going upwards, right? So my little carrots are kind of growing right out of my arrangement. Maybe I don't want them exactly straight up, but just tilted just a little bit. But look how cute that looks. Isn't that fun to have those carrots just popping right out of my little bunny garden there? I'm going to do the exact same thing here on the other side. You know, here at Amber Marie Company, we love doing seasonal stuff. Like, it is our forte. If we had to be known for something, we would say we're known for our seasonal decorations and decor. And we like to bring a lot of ideas to you guys here on our YouTube channel of how to use things. So look how cute this is looking right now. And the other thing I do have is some ribbon. I thought it would be really fun to put, if you're a Mackenzie Childs fan at all, is to put a little Mackenzie Childs ribbon right there in the front. So I'm just going to take and make a really small little bow. This is a cute little Mackenzie Childs with kind of a light pink on the background of it. which is really fun. I'm just going to make a little 3-part bow here, something really small and simple, because we all know Mackenzie Child's ribbon is not cheap. So I'm just going to do a cute little bow here just to tuck in, and that's just going to add some texture. Now I can either add this right here on the back side, which I know you guys can't see on the camera. I'll bring it around so you can see, but that'll kind of just help add a little fun, a little Mackenzie Child's, which is always great to do in any of your, if you're a Mackenzie Child's fan. It's great to add a little bit of this ribbon, and it just makes your arrangement just look like something from Mackenzie Child's, right? I'm going to just cut that right there, get that out of my way, dovetail my ribbon here, because I want you to see what the finished product of this is going to look like. It's so easy, super, super easy to style this tray this way, and it just comes out looking great. So I've got my little 3-loop bow here. I can either put it right back here on the back side in between my bunnies, which actually looks really, really cute, or I could bring it around to the front. So let me show you what it looks like on the back side here as I spin my tray around, because my tray is going to be visible all the way around, right? It's on my kitchen island. So I really like that. As I do that, I'm going to fluff any of these areas here in the front where my carrots are growing, because I want you to be able to see my carrots real cute, but I don't want you to see the stem of my carrot. So there you go. That's what the ribbon looks like on that side. And then here you have all those fun vegetables. Doesn't that just look like these bunnies just got in some trouble, right? They just did. They got in trouble. They got into the garden where everybody doesn't want our little bunnies to go, and they just had a really good time. It's a little garden party. These guys are living it up in the land of cabbage, kale, carrots, and ferns, and they're having a good old time. So there you go. This is it. I hope you enjoyed a very short, very sweet video on how to style this little tray. It is absolutely just adorable, cute for spring. And again, all of these products are at Amber Marie & Co. You can click on the link and shop our website 24/7, and we ship from Tulsa, Oklahoma. So no matter where you are, it's actually pretty quick, pretty easy ship from Tulsa. And I am telling you, I think I'm just going to take this guy home with me. What do you think? Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. And we will see you guys soon.